Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a smartwatch by a company called Misirun. This is the box it comes in. Once you open it up, you are of course going to get a little user manual that tells you all about it. We're going to cover a lot of the features, but that is a great little resource. You're going to get a quick start guide. You are going to get some cleansing cloths because they include a nice little watch screen protector that you can choose to put on the device if you wish. And then you are going to get two USB charging cables. So they charge via these little prongs here on the end, and then this will just plug into your computer or a USB brick if you have one of those laying around. And then finally, you are going to get the watch itself. So as you can see, it's really nice bright orange silicone bands. They are 22 millimeter bands, so if you do want to change out them, that is the size you would be looking for. And then you have the watch itself, and it has a nice silver outside here. On the one side, you have a quick access button that is going to turn on the device, and then if you press it again, it'll quickly pull up all the different exercise modes. This thing has 120 different workout modes, so you will be able to easily find the one that you want to use, whether it's swimming, climbing, running, jogging, cycling, etc. They're all in here. Simply to get back to the menu button, you are going to press that button right there, which will take you to the watch face. Now, one of the cool things about this watch is it does have 150 different custom watch faces. You can kind of change them simply by moving this dial here, and you can see there is a ton of options that you can go through. There is like 5, I think, in here that are preloaded. If you press that little button, it's going to bring up all the other various things like your activity button, your phone calls, heart rate, sleep monitor, your blood pressure, your oxygen level, exercise, and your record. So this watch does have a built-in health monitor. So like I said, it will monitor your basically your heart rate if you want. It does monitor your blood pressure through the sensors and your oxygen levels if you wear it when you're sleeping. It will monitor all that, kind of how well you're sleeping and how much you've moved and everything like that. So on the back, you can see there in the center is the sensor, and then the two little kind of spots there. That is where you're going to plug this in, and it attaches via just a magnet, super easy to charge up. As far as that battery life that this thing has on it, it has a 300 mAh battery. So you're going to get at max maybe 3 days out of this. Now that is heavily going to depend on what you're utilizing it. So I like to charge it once a day just to make sure it stays nice and full. If you are listening to music on this thing, it will drain the battery a lot faster, which you can listen to music. So if you're going for a run or something like that, it's connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Make sure you have your phone with you and you can play music. That will drain your battery a lot faster. Same thing with phone calls. You can make phone calls with this and talk through your watch if you choose to do that. Just note it will drain your battery a lot faster. I personally like just getting the notification. So it's connected Bluetooth to your phone. If you get a message, you can see who it's on your wrist, whether you want to choose to answer the text message, whether it's an email message, or when phone calls come through, you can answer it, like I said, but I like just looking at my watch. Oh, do I want to pull out my phone from my pocket and actually answer that phone call? That will make the battery life last a lot longer. So just keep that in mind, but plan on no more than 3 days. Obviously, if it's just sitting in a drawer, your battery life may last up to a week before you need to charge it up. It does have that AI assistant built into the watch, so if you do want to ask that assistant various questions, you can utilize that if you so choose. As far as the watch face here, so this is an HD little screen here, and it's approximately about 1.5 inches across, and as you can see, it is touchscreen. It is very responsive as far as touching it and moving it around. It's very comfortable to wear. It also has an IP67 water resistant rating. So what does that mean? That means it can get wet for no more than 30 minutes. So if you are going to go for like a long swim, maybe take it off. But if you're just going to go for a swim less than 30 minutes, you can do that if you want to track out that workout, or if you're in the shower or something like that. Just make sure there is some temperature ranges in the instructions. Just check that out. Make sure you're not like taking some super hot shower that could affect the watch. But if you're caught out in the rain, or you're going kayaking or something and you accidentally fall in the water, get out. You'll be perfectly fine. It's not going to ruin the watch, which is a nice, important aspect of it. But overall, it's a really fun watch. If you are in the market for a great little watch to track your workouts, your health monitoring, this is definitely worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.